Stock option trading. My portfolio is more than doubles year to date within 9 months, over 200,000. So 1 year, my portfolio is almost 2.5 times. So how did I achieve this? Investing in great companies, top 1% of companies, plus option trading. It will be really hard to achieve return like this if we just invest in S&P 500. So we need to use great stock investing and option trading. Today in this video, I'm gonna give you two options that I have been trading. One of them is more than doubles. So what option that is? Welcome to World Traveling Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. The last time we met, I gave you this one call option that gained 3 times in 4 days. You will regret missing this. I gave this to you on September 24, 2025. It is AMAP 180 cost strike price, December 19 expiration date. That time it was only 29. So basically, if you had 2,900, you could have bought this one. Okay, so it was already up 180% since I sent out the alert to patrons within 4 days. But never underestimate a stock that is gaining momentum. Most beginners, they make mistake. Oh, this call option is already up 180%, right? Even though I see this video, I don't want to trade. You are making a big mistake. So look at this. It's now 359% gain in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, so you see, you could have basically invested 2,900 and you get back 4,700. So it's about 1,800 profit in a week. Right? What do I want to tell you this? If a stock has a momentum, it's going up like crazy. Look at this one. Right, the past month 42%. It has a tendency to go up more, even though it's overbought right now. Short term, it will keep going up. So I never send out the alert just for 1 day, 1 week. So most of my alerts are good for a few weeks, a few months, right? So because I don't want to spend so much time on getting one call option to trade only one time, day trading. No, I travel full time, so I really like to trade, swing trade, like just buy this call option, just wait it a few weeks, a few months, get multiple returns, right? So that's how I got this one. Hey, I sent out an alert on September 16. It was only $10. So basically 1,000, right? 1,000, and then if any of my patrons hold this, so 4,000 profit, right? 47.63, and then from 1,000. So yeah, not bad. 3,800 profits. So today I want to give you Palantir call option, right? Call option related to Palantir. Palantir is up 19% over the past month. So option number 2 gonna be Palantir 165 call strike price, expiration date October 17. If Palantir stock jump within the next few days, this call option could jump a lot, right? So at the time when I traded August 21st, it was only 9.52. So $952, yeah, one call option. Now it's 146% gain. So within 1.5 months, within 1.5 months. So now 23.4, so 2,340. So what happened? Palantir pulled back at the beginning of September, just very normal. It usually happens, it never goes up straight, okay? So it pulled back, so it was 182, it pulled back, now it's already all-time high. So we got it, right? We got the call option, then we just waited. So it's time to ride Do I think it can keep going up? Yes, because it's just breakout, right? Breakout the or basically, so it could go up much higher. Is it guaranteed? No, not guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed in life. So, but I think that it's most likely go up higher. This call option is a little bit risky because it's getting close to expiration date. So the time decay is larger once you get to near expiration date. So why do I like to trade? So I usually like to trade one closer to expiration date, another one a little bit longer time. So January 16, 2026, strike price 170 call. So I traded on the same day, August 21st. It was only 17.45. So 1,745 could get you one call option of this one. So I traded, I sent on alert. So now it's 87.62% gain within 1.5 months. So basically this could keep going up. If it keeps going up, this call option gonna keep going up, right? Because it has a time, so much time left. So October, November is usually a bull month. So if Palantir earnings report blows away the expectation, this could go up like crazy, 2 times, 3 times, whatever. Palantir stock goes up. So I like to get it earlier, right? Get it earlier. Palantir stock is not overbought yet, even though it's been already up. Of course, it's overvalued. But I don't keep trading, keep riding on the AI because AI is really hot right now. I believe it's because they have more time left within the next maybe 3 to 5 years. And this is how I got phenomenal return, right? 125% within the past year. And year to date is quite pretty good, more than doubles. Started less than 100,000. Of course, when I open this account, it's only a few hundreds, a few thousand, and then grows to 10,000 plus. Once you have 10,000 in the account, it's very much easier to make money. Once you have 100,000, it's also easier to make money as well. So save money, invest money, right? Invest money. I started with $10 a day, so you could start to $10 a day in great companies. Once you get 10,000, you could possibly multiply much higher using call option, put options, and advanced option. So it's really important to learn the basic, the foundation. Build your foundation with great companies. Stop investing, right? Then make sure you. This is not a financial advice, okay? If I were to start over again, what would I do? Okay, I started with $10 a day investing, but I would invest in one great companies, try to accumulate 100 shares of that company. Once I get 100 shares, I will invest in another great companies, accumulate 100 shares of that company, right? Then after that, I can set cover call, I can use call option, put option, advanced option, right? So always start with stock investing, call option, put option, advanced option, and day trading movement stock. So if you want to learn more, go to Master Rich Stock Option Crypto, go to playlist, and you can check out my playlist for stock investing, call option, put option, advanced option, and gold investing, and other financial education. If you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me in the YouTube description, comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.